Hey Star Squad! In today's tutorial, in 3 simple steps, I am going to show you how to transform your regular men's shirt to a fun, cute off-the-shoulder dress. Step 1 is cut. This men's shirt that I have is an XXL, which is fine. I simply need to draw a straight line underneath the collar. Where I cut, I normally measure 2 to 3 inches down from the collar. I draw the line and then cut it. Step 2 is hemming the raw edge. This raw edge is the area where we cut left open. I fold 0.25 seam allowance down, iron, and then fold again a 0.5 seam allowance. So it's a different measurement. I pin. You can use clips or pins. For this particular project, I prefer pins. The hardest part is the area where the arm is. Normally, depending on the shirt that you have, it might not cut straight. So what I do is I sew a dart to even out the edge like this. The length of your dart might vary depending on the shirt that you have because of the size. After I'm done pinning and adding that dart, I top stitch. Step 3, last step, is to insert the elastic. I am using a 1/4 elastic and I insert it by clipping 2 safety pins to each end, and then I bring it inside. I pull the fabric down. To make passing the elastic through the fabric easier. I continued this technique until reaching all the way across. I sewed with a 3mm stitch length and determined the length of my elastic by placing it around my shoulder. For my size, it was 34.5 length. That can vary depending on you, but pretty much just wrap your elastic around you and you'll be good. And stars, this video is short. Keep in mind this is an hour-long DIY. Probs shorter if you have sewing experience. Lastly, I top stitch this area close, down and across, and done. Quick and easy. The finishing, the look, the vibe. I'm ready for my rosé. Actually, more like drinking water from a glass straw, just to be extra, and ecological. Be extra. And if it doesn't work out the first time when you try this DIY, try again. My men's shirt I thrifted, and there's so many options when you go thrifting for these. Enjoy and have fun with this upcycle. Play and be your own main character. And if you try this DIY, make sure to tag me to feature your creation in my stories. And that's the wrap up. Have fun as you create this off-the-shoulder dress, and make sure to tag me at kaaramary to feature your creation in stories. Let's keep on growing our community of stars. Keep on shining.